three grandsons have volunteered to help me with this science experiment about friction. This was adapted for second grade, but could be used in upper or lower grades, just changing what you do. The equipment you will need is a board that's approximately 30 to 36 inches in length, a yardstick, and then 4 pieces of wood that are all the same size, shape, and weight. The only thing that will be different about them is they will be covered in different materials. One will be covered with aluminum foil, another sandpaper, a third wax paper, and the fourth you will leave as a plain wooden block. Another part of this experiment is a paper that is entitled Science Experiment. It has a place for the question, the hypothesis, and then the drawing of what's going on and a conclusion at the bottom. The question would have to do with friction. Each child in a complete sentence would put what they think the question is. It has something to do with friction. How does friction affect an object moving on a ramp? The hypothesis, Jaden, what's the hypothesis?
It's what you think will happen and...
Very good, absolutely. It's an educated guess, isn't it? Are they always right?
No.
No. Are scientists always right the first time?
No, they just guess.
That sometimes they're guessing, and then they go back and they do the experiment again, don't they? Very good. Then this part is a drawing of what each experiment will be. And they can't do this till you model for them what the scientific experiment looks like. And that's what my grandsons are going to help us do right now. Jackson is the board man. He's going to keep the board on the line. Hang on. Okay. Jordan is the ramp man. He will be lifting the board up. And Jaden is the yardstick man. He is going to be measuring. All right, are we ready? Okay. Jordan, we're going to put the block of wood on first. It makes no difference what order. Block of wood on. All right, you move it up. Jackson, you're holding it still. Get ready.
14 inches.
14 inches. Excellent job. Nice job of stopping it and holding it. Thank you. All right, gentlemen, you can go sit down. Thank you. Really good job. And what you would do on this is each child would do a drawing of the experiment, labeling it. For instance, first one I did was tinfoil. On this example, we would do the same thing 4 times with the tinfoil, measuring. And then the children would indicate the 4 different answers. They would come up with an average and write it here. The last thing they would do is they would write their conclusion. As Jaden said, not all hypotheses are correct. So down here they would say on their conclusion, my hypothesis was correct because, or my hypothesis was wrong because. It's a great way for them to understand that in science, getting it wrong the first time doesn't mean you stop. It's all about experimenting. Thank you.